Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance directly into your bank account. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While uploading a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. So before jumping to the video, let me say something that this video is for educational purposes only. And also, I'm not a financial advisor. So throughout this video, you will learn step by step how to transfer your funds or your money or your fiat from your Binance account directly into your bank account. So for this purpose, I will open my Binance account. Here, once you are in the Binance platform, log in with your Binance regular account. Once you are logged in, click on the top on wallet and click on the fiat and spot. Here under the fiat and spot, you can see deposit and withdraw. So click on that. So once you are here, you can see there are deposit, withdraw, transfer, and wallet direct. So for depositing money, how to deposit money, several days ago I've uploaded a video. You can check the link in the above. So here is the link. Click on that and check the video how to deposit money from your bank account into Binance. So now we need the withdraw option. So I will click on that. Once this window open, there you can see the crypto and fiat. So here I will select the fiat option, and here on the currency there are AUD and other currencies that you can withdraw your money. So I will select EU or Euro, and once that's selected, you can see there are recommended bank transfer SEPA and bank card Visa. So I need a bank transfer or there is bank card Visa. You can select both of them. So I will select a bank card Visa, and I will, in here you can see enter the amount. The available limit you can see 170.680 euro. So I will enter 100, and you can see there is 0 euro that you can see there is not available. Still I'm not converted my cryptocurrency to the euro. And here you can see add a new card for transferring. If you are using euro and your Binance account is registered in the one of the European country, so you have to select euro, and there you can see in add bank or add new card. Here I didn't enter my card number, so there you can enter your card number or your expiry date and CWV, and there is bank transfer. Here you can see this payment channel is currently closed for maintenance. Please try again later. Once you have entered your bank details, simply after that this continue option will be appeared here. There is the important notes like please note that Binance only accept first party transfer with accounts in your name. Third party transfer are not allowed and will not be held responsible for any potential losses, rejection of funds associated with third-party transfers. So once you entered your bank details, the continue option will be appear. Click on that, and you with the 24-hour or less than 24-hour you will receive your fund into your bank account. So guys, this is the easiest method that you can withdraw your funds to your bank account from Binance. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, keep supporting us to provide you more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.